This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to become a Brawl Stars pro, offering practical strategies. Mastering map awareness is your first crucial step towards professional play. Always keep an eye on your minimap, understanding where enemies are and where they might move next. Good positioning lets you control the battlefield, collect valuable power-ups, and avoid unnecessary damage. This fundamental skill forms the bedrock of all advanced strategies. Your brawler selection significantly impacts game outcomes, so choose wisely for every match. It is essential to understand each brawler's unique abilities and how they interact with others. A high-damage brawler, for instance, pairs perfectly with a tank or support character. Always consider the game mode and map, as certain brawlers excel in specific environments. Matching your brawler to the situation will give your team a significant advantage. Advanced mechanics separate good players from professional ones. Focus on precise manual aiming to ensure every shot counts, especially against moving targets. Understanding the exact range and timing of your brawler's super and gadget can turn the tide of battle, allowing for incredible plays. Practice dodging enemy attacks while continuing to apply pressure. Consistent repetition of these skills will build your muscle memory and significantly elevate your gameplay. A professional mindset is crucial for continuous improvement. Regularly analyze your gameplay replays to pinpoint specific mistakes and understand how you could have played differently. Watch top professional players, paying close attention to their positioning and strategic decisions. Staying calm under pressure, even when your team is down by 5 gems, allows you to make better, more rational choices. Embracing a learning attitude will ensure you constantly evolve your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.